Hey everyone, this is Tim from YourSixStudios. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to change the language on your Nintendo Switch. So if it's difficult to read anything, what you want to do is follow the different symbols on the bottom here. And we want to go to System Settings, and this is indicated by this little cog icon right here. Select this. So if it's not in English, we can change it back to English. Now, we want to scroll all the way down to the bottom of this screen. So bypass all this stuff. And the last option will be system. Then you're going to see like current version and a bunch of numbers. You'll want to go down 1, 2, 3. So you might see your console nickname above you. Mine is Timbo Slice. And then we'll have language. Select this. We have English, French, German, Spanish, Italian, Netherlands, Portuguese. Not sure, is that Russian, Ukrainian? I'm not, maybe Korean, Taiwanese, Chinese? I don't know, those are my guesses. I don't know what those are. But you can very easily change it from here on out to whatever you want to go ahead and change it to. So if you can't read it, just follow the simple steps and you should be good to go. Hopefully this video did indeed help you out. If it did, leave it a big thumbs up. And subscribe to my channel down below for more tech videos coming up next on YourSixStudios.